As the Delta variant continues to spread during this pandemic, some hospitals around the nation are starting to require healthcare workers to get vaccinated. But here in our area, well, it's not happening in Oregon or Washington. Wayne Haverly has been digging deeper into this very issue. He joins us live with what he's uncovered tonight. Wayne?
Yeah, Liz, this issue is really picking up steam on both sides of the Columbia River here, especially after that outbreak that we reported on yesterday at Peace Health, where 4 healthcare workers contracted the virus, and only one of those workers was fully vaccinated. With COVID cases rising again, there's an added push from state health departments to get more people vaccinated, especially those working in healthcare. Adding to this challenge in Oregon, a 1989 law that prevents the state from mandating healthcare workers to get any vaccine, even a flu shot. The Oregon Association of Hospitals and Health Systems wants to change the rules to better fight the pandemic.
What hospitals propose is that each individual hospital have the prerogative to require staff to be vaccinated. So we believe that that can be done by rule without rewriting the state law and creating a statewide mandate.
State health officials tell me vaccines remain a personal choice and that state public health officials are committed to working with healthcare providers to vaccinate as many Oregonians as possible, including healthcare staff, so that we can put the pandemic behind us once and for all. We continue to explore all other options. They say any rule change would be a lengthy process. So for now, local hospital officials tell me they continue to take every precaution to protect patients from COVID, including requiring masks for everyone at all times.
And if we use the right safety protocols and the right safety standards, we can ensure that we're minimizing the spread of the disease. I can tell you in the first 6 months of the COVID-19 pandemic, we probably had less than 20 people who were infected in a healthcare setting.
But yeah, we just, with these variants, it's scary right now.
Well, Legacy officials tell me that 85% of their healthcare workers are vaccinated, which is a bit higher than some of the others. But I checked with Providence, OHSU, and Peace Health. They're all hovering around 75% right now. Now, here in Washington State, there is no rule like in Oregon that would prevent any hospital from putting a mandate in place. However, at this time, the hospitals are choosing to let their employees decide whether or not to be vaccinated. In Vancouver, Wayne Haverly, KOIN 6 News.